I had the pleasure to have a very long injury for about 2.5 years. It's not nice, but you just need to accept it and work around it and try to find a way to make it better on the other end. Only discipline what makes you keep going forward, and without discipline also the habits you have in everyday life that shape you, what you do, and in general way like what you are. I was pretty clear what I need to do to get where I need to be. For me it was very simple. I was a small kid dreaming about becoming something. There's gonna be a lot of criticism for every move you make, or in my case, for every fight I make, either good or bad, because it's the fighting sport. When it's good, it's extra good, and when it's bad, it's extra bad. And there's also a saying, don't believe you are good like they say you are when you're winning, and don't believe you are bad as they say when you're losing. You need to be very strong-minded to handle all the stuff that's gonna come with it.